Yeah.
So people do business on Sunday. So stop it.
Yeah,
Why
cause
not be happy for the lady? The lady come and a struggle and now she take time do her thing. People can't be happy for the lady.
yeah, man. Oh God, man. Me feel good for her. If she buy the land with you, me feel chat on top of the screen. Beg on something, chat. Chat, beg on something.
Everybody, get the all right. Here what no chat. Listen me now. She no buy no pram. God bless. We don't know. She no. We don't know where I say God
On
bless.
top of the screen, man. Beg on something.
Nobody. We need to get to 40K followers now. So everybody click on my page. Make sure you're following me. Listen again. Everybody, we need to get to 100K likes. We're gonna play our Destiny Helper game. It's true. She got the keys as well. Keys to
Keith Land. Keith Land. Me and her friend now, so me go ask her. When
Oh,
me
you
see.
and Annie are friends?
Not friend like that. Me and her player. So,
Oh,
yesterday
that's nice.
she done call me yesterday, Blinga.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
She done call me. And me and her reason like a two big people, you see me? You understand?
Well, that's good, Flex.
Them fella on yourself on Sunday. How is
Flex,
that paperwork?
things and time change. Flex, listen to me. If me there Jamaica and me a buy a piece of land from you, I tell you say meet me 12 o'clock out of Spanish Town Sunday. Because of the younger day me available. You are going to meet me out of Spanish Town. And we are going to deal with as so things are going to know. What you talk about?
You must not chat one rose, sister, I mean, talk.
Patrol say, me love Patrol, me love you, you know. But you see right now, me not love you. You what Patrol say, Flex? Patrol say, I wish one open.
What was it?
Patrol need to go yard. Patrol say, bank open.
You know, but she have a cash. Me I go restart after this Blinga because me can't bother with them a bit.
Listen.
Different people.
Patrol, the lady have the cash in hand. Online bank open. If someone gave her the land, she didn't buy. Jesus Christ, beautiful me. You hear beautiful me now? Oh, she got the lady business.
That's what you see them people are Blinga. You see them know people and business money people them. Oh, so bless her, she deal with it final week. Bless her, she deal with it final week.
Hold on. Beautiful me say, she said it. Someone gave her the land, she didn't buy it. Well, that's good too. That's good too.
Yeah,
Listen,
Blinga. You see everybody with up on TikTok or make a change, I'm glad if them use the money with them wisely and do something with it. You understand? Because remember, TikTok now go there forever. So you see she buy a piece of land, that good, me feel good for her. You understand? Because remember, land and them thing they not Blinga. You buy a piece of land. Too cheap here down the line, you know. That price gone up on the land there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So
And it's an investment.
That's the thing. Me rather buy land and them thing there, invest in a house and them thing there, more and car and them thing there. Because at the end of the day, them thing the price go up on them thing there, you see me?
Yeah, it's an investment. It's an investment. Deal with everything.
When I buy a car, you know, you take it to the car, man, the price gone up on the so. But
today.
That, I feel good here. I like it.
Hold on. Flex. Tashika Mackenzie. Well, this made the news and we're going to have to speak about it because this is a big deal.
Yeah.
Tashika Mackenzie said,
yeah,
she deal with everything in the week and she surprises her kids today.
I feel good for her. Tell her, wanna go over there go tell her, say me I'm being proud of her.
Yes.
That thing I wish to do. We're very, very proud of her. You understand?
And listen, even if a somebody gear, that's good. Because that's why no matter who you are, you know, you're going to have a destiny helper. My destiny helper them soon coming out. Your destiny helper them soon coming out.
Yeah, if somebody can give me Peter land, every parish me good.
Not every parish, I do that.
Every parish when me don't sell. So, Blinga, if she thing up, we just want she does thing up. Have her head on her body. She have her kids them. She have grandkids, you see me?
And these are the things that people need to talk about. The accomplishments or the positivities sometimes, not only negativities. Because if Annie got a land, if Annie gets land, that's good.
Yeah, that mother feel good for her. You see me? If I buy, she buy the land. You can't tell her, Rosalie, you know, no class because Anika, you're on TikTok.
No, but that can motivate her.
Nothing can motivate Rosalie Blinga. Wow,
You,
let me
you would
motivate
be
you.
surprised. You didn't know how much things motivate people over here?
Blinga. Rosalie, them not an ambition, boy, Blinga. Nothing can motivate her.
Jesus, I'm tired.
Blinga, if Annie buy this land, Annie, me respect that.
MVP
TikTok now,
Lexi. Thank you.
TikTok now, go there
Stacy
forever.
positive. Catch here. Cat, we need 50 money gun. Who can send me some money guns?
Come, I'm
Please
gonna make you
and
play.
thank you.
I'm gonna make you play this something. Destiny help. Or you say you're gonna play you know, with them here.
Alright.
Big up yourself always in a queen. One queen.
Alright, big up yourself, Flex.
Yeah. People them say Rose can motivate Blinga.
The people them are wicked. They will be surprised. But look, if the lady gets a piece of land for truth, that is good. Ask gonna get me.
Blinga, what a way you are on a big friend. Chat for one time.
Nobody come here so with it. Not come here so with it. Don't come here so with it. What you mean? Thank you, English. What you mean? Explain.
Sorry.
Explain yourself.
My
Explain yourself. No, explain
My
yourself.
palo.
Explain, let me
My
fix
palo.
you.
My palo. Chat power tap.
What's up with
Alright,
you
we have
over
play
there?
1 year. My palo.
Hold on, no,
Me a
since I
play
just
one.
start for me. Thank you, Lexi. Since I just start for me, let me start back for you. What are we
I
me
want
see
you
up on
to
video?
play auntie.
Yeah, what are we me see up on video? I talk about from Ivan is skin out. Your thing kind of stay away.
Me rent up here. Me live bill up here. Me water rent up here. The man tell me I charge him $200 and Ivan him mash up my blood clot food basket. Some girl are crosses.
But oh, Ivan mash up your food basket when you have PSI internet
Cause she has
right
spit
now.
it out free, I sure.
Yeah, but you have PSI internet and you need to
No,
work
a
it.
TikTok a pussy him want see. He might look for TikTok, huh?
But
You know,
I
I
have
didn't
one question.
pussy. It is okay.
Everybody's shooting as sooner, but me have to ask him this. Let me ask you something. The person used to give.
Hey, when him? Hey, buy 2 base grabber for me. Me a wait for one year, so. Me no want go down this, so. Another buy 2 base grabber for me. You and him go and buy. Or 3 base grabber. And buy 2
Oh my
weed.
God, the speed because the
Yeah?
shoot so early.
2 base grabber and 2 weed.
Mhm.
Are you bring the weed? The
Jesus.
boy fool see.
We need 12 on
That
12
power time.
something.
I wait till them come back. Me no want to go. Me no like crowd, you know. That's why I ever skin up my face. Because some people will say, well, and create pure excitement. That's why my face ever skin up. Say if you say candy warm, say alright, good pussy. But me not deal with them, they are gonna go out there. I'm so mad.
Anybody
I'm
can
mash up my reputation.
catch the speed or no? Anybody can catch the speed? One galaxy 2 another.
Yeah, get fat back door. You look like from the boy left a girl. You look fat. Your face look fat, Blinga.
Anyway, let me ask you something. Can you just come trouble me every time? So when I start, you know me, I go trouble you back. You used to have somebody will give you money before Ivan is skin out or
Me straighten the argument. Me a joker in the card pack. Them put 2 more joker in the card pack. That is me a joker.
Excuse me.
Me no careless skin out my blood clot pussy.
No, me know that, but me I said to you.
The demons now rap me. It's not a phone pussy and my foot. Want my baby, alright?
I can't believe it's you.
Yeah.
I see on TikTok.
Oh, me look slimmer or fatter? Sweet or uglier? Eh?
I can't believe it's you. I welcome to St. Anne.
How when you down at St. Anne do?
Eh?
I want to go down at St. Anne now.
No, it look like when me the name sentence, but I'm a baby there.
Oh.
A sentence already a name? A sentence already a name? Hey, alright. I don't know the road. This is a man can't draw me where I'm battering me. Because I don't know the place. That's why I'm not about to go certain place. I just come on a vacation. Do my vacation and then leave. Okay? Word of my pussy has scratched me. Worries in the dance. Worries tonight. So
When I
police
went,
Blinga.
I don't know about them, the people. They
Me
but you know easy.
dear. My love, worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries in the station, worries tonight. Wanna get that unlock? Okay. Gonna get
So
that.
when are the wedding?
Lad, the goat it put on me address, so me I look for move.
We and the goat in an argument again.
What do you win argument? Cause she come in at me argument one girl when me and I used to par. We leave her at the yard for 3 days with no grocery. We and our mother, we and our father, she called me and tell me, say, she's hungry. I tell her, say, if you're hungry, me or your mother or your father, she saw a video where she asleep. And as she asleep in my dirty clothes room, you know, what a girl fool. I take out my dirty clothes them off of the bed bottom and give you the bed bottom. You are idiot, girl. I go live in my house every day, said, have to clean. I definitely you do that. Blinga, I go live in my house every day. I'm going to turn on my camera and show my dog. And that's why I'm telling you, some people are idiot. I go live in my house every blood clot day, Blinga.